Mike, was that airborne crazy or what on that car?
I've seen worse.
That was kind of crazy.
You're probably gonna see
Oh.
worse.
45.
Whoa, Lawless.
Full screen. Full screen.
Oh,
That's Alan. Oh, brother.
Lawless Allen being
Alan's
in
lawless.
the dirt pin.
How the heck?
Oh my god.
Oh,
Seriously?
man.
It's gonna be it's gonna be one of those
Someone
moments
did.
where everything
Right when
just
I
goes to
said-
shit. We just
someone
went
take a
back
picture
right when
and
I
say
said-
washed.
How
Someone
did?
take a picture
How
and say
did?
washed.
Yep.
Lawless
Yeah, because
Allen.
right when I
Alan's
said it,
doing
another
lawless
car just
things.
I
died.
predict something with him. I predict we're gonna find out that he got pulled over for DUI.
Oh,
We just
jeez.
saw it right there. Holy shit.
DUI or
Lawless
DWI?
Allen.
DWI.
And there's the
Caution.
caution.
And they fucking threw it for him.
There's
Even
the
though he's
fortune
way
of
out of the
26
way,
car.
they had to
They
throw it for
threw
him.
it for the car that stalled. Right
Oh, he's
over there.
rolling. Never mind. He's.
Take a picture
Well,
and say
oh,
washed.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Now you're
come
going.
on.
Okay. All right.
That's
I
the
see.
penalty.
There's another Fox moment about to come up.
Oh boy.
A
You'll-
commercial.
Another
See it.
Fox moment.
Yeah.
Oh,
God.
come on.
Oh wow.
What is that
Hey,
timing?
No yeller. No yeller. On the
Hey, is that
pavement.
Matt? Is Matty decaf enough?
Oh, come on.
Whoa,
God
Hot
You
take.
don't
damn.
have to throw the caution for that guy.
Who's that? Who's that?
Trey.
Trey.
Oh,
I
hey.
think I saw smoke.
Yep, they
What
did.
the fuck?
And there's the caution.
You
Just,
want
he
smoke?
went through
Oh,
pit
yeah.
lane and everything. What a fucking. Oh my god. Oh, here we go with the kids
Certified
again.
fake moment.
God damn
Oh my
it.
god, here's a bona fide Fox moment.
Yeah,
How much
little do
smoke?
you know that the fucking
Hey,
cameraman a
smoke
pedophile,
is
brother.
Hey, look at our kids.
Does my mic sound bad
There's
at all?
more kids.
No.
Oh my god.
Okay, good,
I'm
good.
done. I'm
Good,
tired
good.
of
Because
that.
I'm on my iPad right now. I just woke up. I kid you not.
Imagine having an iPad in 2022.
I have a phone too, you know.
Wow.
No, I have a
Imagine
PC.
having a phone.
Imagine having a phone, bro. Just get get a PC, dog.
I have all three.
Wow, imagine having money. Can't relate.
Can't relate. I have no money.
I'm going to college
Now
for a
imagine-
reason.
Fuck.
Wait, what is that?
What the hell is this?
Hold on.
What am I looking at?
Good. Simon says, put your bathing suit area up against the TV screen.
Oh, what?
Good.
Okay. 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 Oh, you know to click on that video.
The Make sure you check the Hampton, Georgia weather, because that's where the truck's located.
Bushy.
God damn
Hey,
it.
Bushy.
I don't sound like that, dude. Yeah, my
Bushy.
Arr!
Oh, hello.
We got a spin!
41.
Oh no, it's the boy.
Get it back going. Get it back going. You got it. You got it.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Between
God.
40
Holy
and
fuck.
50% from
Jesus.
Hey,
I am-
Bushy.
7 a.m. to 3 p.m.
Yeah, we
tomorrow.
got damage.
Bushy.
I am shocked he didn't
But-
get run over.
I added the weather chat in our server, so you can put some weather update in there. if
Oh,
you
I
want.
just lost it.
They were cutting it awfully close to how they
Yeah,
were
Bushy, if you want, you can
Alright.
put.
With the channel app. Let me see if that works better.
Oh my god, that truck is destroyed.
God, what happened?
Oh, what happened
Oh,
to him?
Oh my god, this stupid ass phone.
Got some. Then that boy thick.
Oh!
Dang.
Ah, damn.
Dang.
He got sent,
my
I'd assume.
God, what happened?
He probably got sent, dude.
Look at all of the extra downforce he has. Keep on it going.
Lupton Excavation. Nice self-promotion
Yeah,
there. That's awesome.
Yeah.
That Fox replay?
Yeah, the rear end just got excavated.
Alright,
He got
here's the
fucked.
replay.
Wow, we actually have a replay. Holy shit. Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah, he got loose up there and he hit
We
the
got a
wall.
replay, but a bad camera angle.
You could just see the roof of the car, which is really funny actually.
Either, well, what the?
What is that?
Yeah, I
Fox
bet.
Oh
moment.
yeah. Oh yeah.
We're on the chase,
take the
bro.
back end off you,
We're
dude.
gonna get him.
Oh, he getting it.
The cameraman getting it, bro. He's gonna get that shot, bro. There it is. There he is.
No, no, no.
I can see the side skirt bending and it's hurting.
Oh no. Oh, we gotta do the F1 thing. Hell yeah. Jack her up.
Oh yeah!
Oh no.
No, that's
Oh
the right.
no!
Oh fuck.
Good lord!
Oh my god.
I think that's gonna bring out the yellow.
Yeah. He's done.
He's done.
Damn, dude. What the hell?
Oh my god! How did that happen?
He either got sent or he just lost brakes or
He died. That's what happened.
damn. Yeah, we got a yeller. Woo.
Oh my god! He went all the way over there.
He probably lost brakes. I wouldn't doubt it.
It takes talent to go that far off the racetrack.
Imagine that AMR truck gets stuck in the dirt. Oh, never mind. They're not gonna park it in there. That's lame as shit. Now they gotta run like half a fucking mile. They're getting their exercise today.
Dude, the entire right side of the truck just got shifted.
Yeah. That's a sick looking helmet too. I like that.
Yeah. Yeah, you alright, man? Oh. Oh, I have an onboard. Brakes are gone. Brakes are gone. Brakes are gone.
Yep, I knew it. I told you.
Oh!
Wow. Oh. Yep, I told you the brakes were gone. He wouldn't, unless if it was
Okay,
wet.
what happened?
So Justin Marks lost his brakes.
Dang it.
Yeah, I was gonna say, unless it was raining, that's the only way you would have been able to go through there without losing your brakes.
Green. Back to green.
Oh,
But
come
see-
on. Oh, never
Come
mind.
on, what?
Okay, they're double
What?
file.
We started.
Oh, it
the-
wait, what? They were in a commercial when they? Oh my god!
Fox, you bozo.
Wow, they missed the fucking restart because. What the
Of
fuck?
course.
What
They
the
did the-
fuck?
They did this
Fox
back in the
moment.
J2.
Well, no, they did it. They would do it right after the green flag wave. They did
Yeah.
this like when half the lap was over. Come on, puppy. Come on.
Bruh.
Come on.
Certified Fox moment right here, boys.
God, Fox
Bro,
is actually
one
autistic.
more time there's a Fox moment, I'm gonna come.
Dude, Fox, the type
Well,
of
Bushy,
broadcast
I know what you
network.
can do with
No,
Fox.
hang on,
You can
hold on,
say
hold on, hold
Fox
on, hold on.
Bosch.
So, Fox will literally go to commercial during a burnout, and now they're. Oh my god. Oh, they're 3 wide! That can't work. Yep, told you.
Boy.
There they go.
Oh.
Big one.
Oh my
Dad.
god, dude. Wow. Well, that's another yeller. Hopefully we don't miss this restart under fucking commercial. Dumbass.
There's
No
the
yellow?
caution.
Wait,
Where's
what?
the caution?
Where's the yellow? NASCAR,
The
come on.
yellow, you bozo.
The 24's going away now.
You're going away, what?
Fair enough.
Rip
They're gonna
bozo.
send a caution eventually now. They can't just leave him there.
Thank
There
you.
it is.
Yeah.
There we go. Oh.
I have genuinely no idea who's gonna win this race.
Oh, cum
Oh.
finger.
And figure.
Awooga. Oh!
Oh!
Bushy's comment did not get deleted.
Oh, it didn't?
Hey, what?
It did not.
Oh.
wow.
Who done did it?
Purdy, purdy.
Purdy,
It's
purdy.
grass,
Oh,
so
not the
Purdy, purdy,
bird.
purdy, 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 purdy,
Check
purdy.
already.
Are you
it's
kidding me?
all-
Purdy. Purdy, purdy, purdy.
We might get another caution. Never mind.
No, we're good. We're good.
You
Go
lost
get him.
talent.
Get him. Bring
Yeah,
it
it's still in
down
the pit
lane,
lane. Still in the pit lane. You
brother.
get. You jab and get, brother. How did this even happen?
Oh, he just got
talent.
he
he
got dumped.
got dumped by that guy.
He got dumped by the 22. That's not surprising.
Joe
Look
Logano,
at
what?
you,
He would
bum.
do that shit.
Yeah, Joey Logano
He
jumped
got
in
dumped
Austin
by the
Wayne Self's
22.
truck and just teleported out whenever he dumped him, you know?
He
Oh,
teleported in.
Oh
Behind.
no, Corey!
Corey Heim.
Car's broke.
He probably missed a shift.
He
Probably
missed the
what-
shit.
It probably what happened.
Oh,
What happened to
he
him was.
lost talent.
Oh no, he's
He
done.
lost talent.
Or
He's
just
done.
stopped. He just
That's
stopped.
a yeller.
What the
That's a
fuck,
yeller.
I'm
man?
gonna plow into him eventually.
That's gonna be a yellow.
Here come Parker.
Come on,
They
Porker.
better not throw the yellow for this guy, I swear.
Come on, Porker.
Okay. we got
And they
it.
threw it.
Oh my god, this race will never fucking end.
Hey, over there.
Parker.
Come on, Daddy
I
Hocevar.
want,
Okay.
I want to see a Parker win.
Green flag.
No, we want to see a Carson win. Make it 3. Oh. Oh, he's gonna get P2. He might get P2 right here. Oh my boy.
Yeah, bump to the 38.
Hey, shit.
Oh,
Oh.
Stewie!
Oh. Wow.
Go away.
Dude, that 19's
Parker, click
rear
him
end
in.
is like flared out.
Click him in.
Oh my god, Parker's there! He's still there!
Side dropped him. Side dropped him.
Suck
Side
him
trap.
out. Suck him out.
Flag job. Flag job.
Not the corner.
He's gonna
Now
get
imagine-
him!
Twist.
Okay.
He got
Now
him!
imagine if they
Don't lock it up. Don't lock it up. Don't lock it up. Make the corner. Make the corner.
Oh my god, he
now
got him.
imagine if they
Smart.
both spin.
Oh!
Imagine if Zane
Daddy
Smith and
Hocevar,
Parker
let's
both
go.
spin.
You can stop there. We're trying to have a normal video.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done.
This is it.
Oh! Yeah! Crafton Rex,
Yeah,
fuck you!
Crafton.
Screw you, Matt Crafton.
Bozo. Hell
Eh.
yeah.
Wow.
Rip Bozo.
Oh, do not throw the caution, I swear to God. We want this race to finish. Do not throw that caution. Don't even try, fuck.
Dude, I want to see these two take each other out and Carson fucking wins.
Just like what happened with
Carson
Chase
gets
Briscoe
involved.
at
We already know
Bristol.
how his luck is.
Oh, true. That would.
Like, it's just gonna be like what happened
Oh
with
my
Chase
god,
Briscoe
that
and
it
other guy
almost
at
happened. It almost fucking happened. Oh my
Our
goodness.
left was
Oh, these are gonna
2016
be battling for the lead win right here.
Golly.
God,
What a battle this is gonna be.
If only it
Suck
was
him
white.
out.
Oh.
Yo, did he get P12? Let's go. Let's see if she can get in the top 10 by the time this is over.
No!
He's right on his back.
Parker
Yeah. Zane Smith is right on his bumper.
Michael Klugerman, oh my god. He is battling for his life right now.
I thought he was. I thought the 38 was gonna send it right there. If it's the last lap, he probably would have. But
Yeah, he's probably gonna send it.
And nothing's worth it right now. It's only worth it on the
oh, one
He's
to
gonna send it
go.
right on this corner.
He's there, dude. Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh, here he
Oh,
goes.
He's
Oh,
right now.
contact.
He's right there. Go get him.
That's exactly
Go
what
get him.
wants to happen.
Get
Now,
him.
if these two both wreck, it may be
Get
Hocevar.
him.
Please,
Get him right
dude.
there.
Oh my god.
I'm just freaking out right now. This is gonna get intense between
Right
these two.
there.
Oh my god.
Don't,
He's probably gonna do that about the run. I just know
don't
it.
take each other out, but if you end up taking each other out, I'll be thankful either way.
Oh, it's gonna be close.
He's got to stay on the bumper through this section of the track, and then he'll have a shot in the final corner.
He has to
Yeah,
be
he's
there.
not gonna go boop.
He has
I
to
think
be
he's.
there.
I think he's got it now. Parker might have it now.
I think Parker's got it.
I don't know. Zane Smith is probably
Unless
catching the
Zane
draft
Smith
on this
gets a
dude.
Ridiculous dive bomb.
Oh, he's. Oh no, he's there now.
No, he
Oh,
does not.
Oh.
fuck.
Oh boy.
Oh god, dude, here we fucking go.
Entering the final corner. Can he do anything?
Oh my god, he's.
Dating?
He's there.
Get him!
God.
He's there.
Go defensive.
Get
Go
him!
defensive.
He's
go
gonna
defensive,
send
go
it.
defensive,
Get him!
Go defensive.
It's on inside,
Oh!
inside.
He moved
Oh!
him. He moved him.
Oh!
Who's gonna win?
Come on!
Oh!
Let's go!
Yeah.
Hell yeah! All right.
In
Michael
Ohio.
Kligerman,
He's
Oh,
the
wow.
Oh my
winner. Middle.
god!
That was
Wow.
awesome.
Hey, who's looking third? Let's take that.
Woo, yeah, woo, baby.
Look, Deegan top
Oh
10.
my
Yeah.
god!
Winner.
Wow.
Mike, have you ever?
No,
No,
I have
I
never.
Never.
That was fucking
Wow.
awesome.
Attaboy, Parker Kligerman.
You see, you know, I'm happy that Zane didn't fucking turn him.
Yeah,
Parker, you are my
awesome.
new-
Zane's actually a
pick.
good fucking driver. He's not gonna dump anybody or anything.
Wow.
He tried to move him. I'll give him that. He tried to move him, but
Okay,
Hey,
guys.
what a finish.
Guys,
Have
I'm
you
gonna go
ever-
eat now. So
There's
Guys,
someone stalled.
Hey guys,
Ever.
Haley Deegan top 10. Haley
Yeah, I
Deegan
know.
top 10.
I know.
Let's go. Yes.
That's awesome.
Deegan top 10.
Awesome.
Deegan's in top 10.
Kobe Howard was top 10.
Haley Deegan's in
Gralla,
top 10.
P7. My gosh.
Very end too. That's fucking impressive.
Have you
Uh-oh.
Oh, we
Uh-oh.
may have beef.
Oh,
Oh,
we do.
We have
Full
beef.
screen this shit. Full screen it. Full screen it. Full screen it.
Oh, I'm full screening
Oh,
this
hell yeah.
craziness.
Fight, fight, fight.
Wasn't about to happen.
Oh boy. Yeah, Austin Wade himself for the fucking 88. Oh my god, I thought he hit the wall. I thought he was going to anyway. Burn it down.
Come on, man.
Yeah, but
Oh. Oh.
you are a
Did he
new
stall it?
pick.
Oh no, he
No,
didn't.
he
No,
got
we're
it.
good. We're good. We're good. Hell yeah, brother.
I'll
That's
be
his
back
Try not
later.
to get his
Third
fucking
win.
I'll
Oh
still-
my
right,
god.
and
I'll
not
be
to get
muted,
his
but I'll
stuck in the
still be
grass,
on here.
please.
Okay, that's fine. God, dude. This track is so good. We need this fucking track back, like, with the Xfinity Series 2. This track is so good.
I'll put this in the cup schedule instead of Vote America.
Thank you. Thank God somebody said it.